Well, today we are here for the big day at the Laurel Mall. Finally, ribbon cutting of the long-awaited Philly Pretzel Factory in the Laurel Mall. Rocco Arruzzo, of course, is the Laurel Mall's property manager. Rocco, you were waiting for this for a long time.
Over a year. It's been, oh my God, but we finally made it. After all those phone calls and all the hard work, they're finally open.
And it's been a success, I mean, even before the ribbon was cut.
Yes, they did their soft opening, actually started on Tuesday. The lines have been out the door. It's been crazy. I said, geez, have some people eat the pretzel in Hazleton or what? But it's been great. I'm so happy for them.
I'm excited. I'm excited for our community. I'm excited for our employees. I'm excited that we're here and we're going to bring joy, love, and a lot of happiness through our pretzels and our staff here in Hazleton. And it's my hometown. I'm happy to do something good. I want to give something back to us.
What are your hours? The same as the mall?
Well, we're alternating our hours right now. It looks like we're open at 8, but it looks like we might switch from 9 to 7. We seem like we're getting more of a crowd coming in a little later, but that's in a little bit of a flux right now.
Now, the Philly Pretzel opening isn't the only big deal here at the mall because the Easter Bunny has already arrived.
Easter Bunny arrived on Saturday, and they'll be in Bunnyland. There's photos taken. You can check the schedule on our Facebook page and also website on when the photos are available. But yep, the Easter Bunny's here.
And everything is being sold for the Easter holiday here. Great candy, Laurel Mall gift certificates, the works.
The Laurel Mall gift certificates in our games of skill. You have the candy stores. You have great, nice spring fashions that arrived at most of the stores now. So we're ready to go. Officially, spring is here. So spring is in the air, so do some shopping.
So things are really hopping at the Laurel Mall, right?
Excellent. Yes, they are. Things are hopping one way and the other.
All right, let's go get a pretzel.
You got it. Let's go.